This song in Anawak and Spanish is asking the spirits to maintain this earth life for us. So we have to preserve Mother Earth.
Thank you. This is Anawak. Again, we have their CDs for sale, which is very involved music. You can hear more of what they're doing. And they're going to be back to do a fire dance at the end of our show. Again, my name is Kellee Maize, and this crew that you see here on stage, as well as mingled around here, have been traveling across the country, trying to spread a message.